5 minutes morning routine to feel younger and lighter. How many mornings do you wake up feeling stiff, feeling heavy, before the day even begins? You think, I'll move later. Later feels safer, but later is often why movement never happens. If you're watching this right now, you are not late. You are right on time. Today we're doing something simple, gentle, safe, and effective. No getting on the floor, no equipment, no pressure. If you need to move slower, you move slower. If you need to rest, you rest. All that matters is that you're here. Let's begin. Sit comfortably on your chair. Place your feet flat on the floor. Rest your hands lightly on your thighs. Sit tall but relaxed. Take a slow, comfortable breath in. No circles and no forcing, just gentle movement. Slowly turn your head to the right. Pause briefly, then return to center. Slowly turn your head to the left. Pause, then return to center. Gently drop your chin toward your chest, only as far as feels comfortable. Lift your head back to neutral. This helps release tension, improves comfort, and keeps your neck safe. Move slowly and breathe normally. Let's do this together. Right, center, left, center, down, and back up. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice and easy. If this feels manageable, stay with me. Now let your arms rest by your sides. Slowly lift your shoulders up toward your ears and gently let them fall. Again, up and down. Let that tension go. This helps counteract all the time we spend sitting. It helps you breathe better, stand taller, feel more confident. Let's continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and relax. Let your shoulders drop. Take a breath. Sit tall. We'll roll the shoulders backward, slow and controlled. Lift your shoulders up. Roll them back. then down and forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And relax. Let your arms rest. Now bring your attention to your feet. Point your toes forward, then gently pull them back toward you. Slow and steady. This improves circulation and reduces stiffness. Helps you feel grounded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And relax. Let your feet rest flat on the floor. Now we'll wake up the whole body. As you breathe in, slowly lift your arms. As you breathe out, lower them gently. Feel your chest opening. Feel your body rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And relax. Let your arms rest by your side. Take a breath. Notice how your body feels right now. A little lighter, a little looser. You didn't rush. You didn't force anything. You didn't wait for January. You didn't wait for motivation. You showed up. And that's how strength really begins. Quietly, calmly. One small step at a time. If you know someone who needs this, share it with them. And come back tomorrow. We'll keep building together.